Now, I will discuss an important part, normal curve. Why normal curve? To assess the distribution, we need normal curve based on normal distribution. Remember, please, the parameters of normal distribution is mean and standard deviation. So if we can estimate mean and standard deviation, then we can find out all properties of normal distribution. So how to do? Now, state function. State function. Within the state function, fun is equal to distribution normal, then args is equal to parameter list mean. Why mean? Because there are two parameters. So mean is equal to mean of mean of BMI. So we use here dataset. Dataset name is dat A. So first dat A, then dollar sign, then BMI. Similarly, SD. SD is equal to SD of dat A, sorry, dat A, BMI. So if we run any error, oh, sorry, we sorry, we use HT. Sorry, not BMI. We use HT. Sorry, HT. HT. Yeah, yeah, this is our normal curve. So we can change the color. Color is equal to red. Yes, this is our normal curve. Using the normal curve, we can assess the distribution of the data is normal or not. This is bell shape, so we can say that is the normally distributed. Okay, so please write the syntax.